Road trips and warm drinks. Not anymore. This mini fridge claims to turn your car trunk into a portable freezer, but is it truly the game changer we've been waiting for? We're diving into the AUNXGFY KUANGMHSHANGMAO mini fridge car trunk refrigerator, an auto accessory that promises to keep your refreshments perfectly chilled or even frozen, no matter where your journey takes you. First off, let's talk about portability. This unit is designed to be compact and lightweight, making it incredibly easy to handle. You can effortlessly place it inside your car, whether it's a Model Y, a sedan, a commercial vehicle, an off-road beast, or even an RV. And when you reach your destination, carrying it outside for a picnic or setting it up at your campsite is just as convenient. It's not a cumbersome box. It's a genuinely portable solution. Now for the real magic: accurate temperature control. This isn't just a cooler, it's a proper fridge freezer. You can precisely set the temperature, choosing between refrigeration or freezing, depending on what you're storing. Imagine having ice cream stay perfectly solid on a hot summer day, or your drinks being genuinely ice cold, not just cool. This level of precision is a huge advantage, ensuring your food and beverages are always at their optimal temperature. It really takes the guesswork out of keeping things fresh. The strong compatibility is another major plus. While it's specifically highlighted for Model Y owners, its design ensures it fits seamlessly into a wide array of car models. This broad appeal means more people can enjoy the benefits of a personal, portable fridge freezer on the go. It's truly built for versatility. Think about the scenarios where this becomes a lifesaver. Long summer drives become infinitely more enjoyable with a constant supply of cool drinks. Outdoor camping trips are transformed when you can keep your ingredients fresh for days. Picnics are elevated when you don't have to worry about food spoiling. It's about enhancing your entire driving and outdoor experience, making every adventure more comfortable and convenient. This isn't just an accessory, it's an upgrade to your lifestyle. The AUNXGFY KUANGMHSHANGMAO isn't just about basic cooling. It's about providing a reliable, controlled environment for your perishables. It feels like a well-thought-out product, designed to meet the demands of modern travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. It quietly does its job, allowing you to focus on the journey and the destination, rather than worrying about the temperature of your snacks. Overall, the AUNXGFY Mini Fridge Car Trunk Refrigerator delivers on its promise of portable, precise cooling. It's a fantastic accessory for anyone looking to elevate their road trips, camping adventures, or even just daily commutes with perfectly chilled or frozen items. A truly powerful and convenient addition to your auto accessories.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.